Hi guys, here is our math problem for today. Solve for x given this equation 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x plus 1 plus 2 raised to x plus 2 equals 7 over 4. Now let's solve this problem together. Let's begin by recalling our product of powers law of exponent. Notice that the right side of this property is the form of our second and third terms in the left side of the equation. Therefore, we can now rewrite the given equation this way. Instead of 2 raised to x plus 1, that becomes 2 raised to x times 2 raised to 1, following this product of powers law of exponent. From a raised to the sum of the exponents x plus y, in this case x plus 1, that becomes the base, here the base is 2, raised to the first exponent times the same base raised to the second exponent, which is 1. The same explanation for the third term. Now, notice that 2 to the x is a common factor. So we can factor out the common factor this way. So we now have 2 to the x as our common factor. And we now divide each of the terms of the second line by the common factor. So 2 raised to x divided by itself is equal to 1. Then the second term divided by 2 raised to x will cancel the 2 raised to x, and what's left is 2 raised to 1. And for the third term, this 2 raised to x and 2 raised to x are cancelled out, and what's left is 2 squared. Now 2 squared equals 4, so we can simplify this further this way. And 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. And then we can divide both sides of the equation by 7, so what's left would be 2 raised to x at the left and 1/4 at the right side. Now this 1/4 can be written as negative exponent 4 raised to negative 1. But since the base at the left is 2, we can also re-express 4 as 2 squared, so we now have 2 squared raised to negative 1. And here you can now multiply the inside and the outside exponent using the power of powers law of exponent to get 2 raised to negative 2. We have the same base, the exponents are equal, so x is equal to negative 2, and this problem is now solved. Now to check if our answer is correct or not, we now replace all instances of x by negative 2, and so this becomes 2 raised to negative 2, 2 raised to negative 2 plus 1, 2 raised to negative 2 plus 2, and copy the right side. Then 2 raised to negative 2 plus 1 equals 2 raised to negative 1. Here negative 2 plus 2 is 0, so we have 2 raised to 0. We copy all the rest. Now 2 raised to negative 2 is equal to 1/4. 2 raised to negative 1 is equal to 1/2. And 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. The LCD here is 4, so we copy the 1/4. 1/2 is equivalent to 2 over 4, and 1 can be written as 4 over 4. And we have here the same denominators. We can add the numerators. 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7. And indeed, x equals negative 2, when substituted to the original equation, resulted to a correct equation. So it's verified that our value for x is x equals negative 2. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you again in our next video. Bye for now.